sa iyong mga mata at kay bigat ng iyong dinadala.
Ray, mahal mo ba si Daniel?
Mahal na mahal po.
Gano'n ka ba
Kahit
sa Andre? Tama?
di
Yes po.
man sabihin, paghihirap mo'y nadarama ko rin.
So, thank you mahal kasi nakilala kita at nakasama sa buhay ko. You changed the Andre na dati isip bata, sarili lang ang iniisip, into matured man and loving person na can give everything to his Christ. Thank you, Daniel, to be my wife, and I promise before God and man to love, honor, and respect you. I promise provide for your needs and be the spiritual leader of our home. And be a godly example to you and our children. I love you with all of my heart, man.
And looking at you right now, I can't help but remember how far we've come. Pero bawat challenges and trials, alam kong malalagpasan natin basta lagi tayong magkasama. At syempre dapat nakasentro si Lord sa buhay natin. So today, I choose you again. Just like Ruth said, wherever you go, I will go, and wherever you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God, my God. I promise to celebrate your victories as if they were my own, and carry your burdens whenever life becomes heavy. So today, before God, our family, and everyone we loved, I give you my whole heart. I love you yesterday, today, tomorrow, and forever.
Nakalagay sa Bible as regards sa responsibility of a wife. You submit to your husband, that is the bride. It is now your duty, solemn duty, to love your wife. Nakalagay sa verse, love your wife as Christ loved the church. And what did He do for us? He died for us. Meaning, ang standard ng pagmamahal ni Christ sa atin. You fight for your marriage and let God make miracles in your relationship.
I love you.
I love you.
At kung kailangan mo ako sa oras ng iyong pag-iisa, kung naninimdim, asahan